If you're an Etsy seller or an accountant or bookkeeper helping to manage the finances of an Etsy store, then you know that bookkeeping for Etsy can be confusing and time-consuming. You might be using Sage Cloud accounting software to make Etsy accounting and bookkeeping quicker and easier. But you might find yourself spending time manually entering data from Etsy into Sage, which can be prone to error. Or maybe you're coding an entire Etsy payout to a sales account. These methods might work for a short time, but you'll find that you might run into some challenges as Etsy sales grow and you work toward accrual accounting. Etsy payouts are not just sales. They're actually a combination of sales, fees, refunds, and other transactions. Trying to make sense of which transactions make up a payout can be tricky. Etsy provides reports that includes this information, but going through all of these reports and getting them to balance with Etsy payouts can be confusing and time-consuming. That's why setting up an integration between Etsy and Sage can help. An integration will allow your Etsy transaction data to flow seamlessly into Sage. There are a couple of ways you could set up this integration. One option is to use a data syncing app that sends individual Etsy orders to Sage. This could work for smaller sellers, but for larger sellers, this could overload the accounting system. A better option is to use A2X. A2X connects Etsy to Sage, so all Etsy transaction data can flow seamlessly into Sage. With A2X, all your Etsy sales, fees, refunds, and other transaction types that you need to account for are automatically organised into accurate summaries that reconcile perfectly with your Etsy payout in Sage. Integrating Etsy and Sage with A2X is easy. Here's how you can set it up. First, sign up for an A2X account at a2xaccounting.com. Next, you need to connect A2X to Sage. All you need is your Sage login. A2X currently integrates with the Sage Business Cloud UK Plus plan and the Sage One UK Plus plan. Then connect A2X to Etsy. If you need to request access to an Etsy account, you can do so here. Once A2X is connected to Sage and Etsy, it's time to map your Etsy transactions to your chart of accounts. Navigate to the Accounts and Taxes page, where you can choose how to categorise Etsy transactions to the chart of accounts. A2X can create the default accounts that you need directly in Sage. Once you've completed your accounts and tax mapping, go to the Deposits tab. This is where you can review and post deposits from A2X to Sage. The final step is to reconcile in Sage. Log into Sage and navigate to the account you want to reconcile. Click on Imported Transactions. Find the payout from Etsy. You will be able to select the invoice from A2X and click Match to reconcile. And there you go! Etsy bookkeeping with Sage can be that easy. Integrating Etsy and Sage with A2X can help save you time on bookkeeping and get you more accurate financials. For more information, visit a2xaccounting.com.